I did a 6-part series on how to build a bag like that. And I think one of the videos was basically Gusset from start to finish. And it explains all of it. Hey guys, it's Alexis Sofa Leather. Thanks for watching. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a gusset, how to measure a gusset, how to stitch a gusset, and you can scale this up or down. So let me show you what that looks like. Truth be told, this is a little bit of a clickbait video because in this video specifically, I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to reference this other video right here and also in the link in the description, as well as the first pinned comment. There's going to be a playlist video or a specific video that's part of a playlist. And on the title of that video does not say gusset. However, I did a 6-part series on how to build a bag like that. And I think one of the videos was basically Gusset from start to finish, and it explains all of it. So, and that just, bruh. So in that sense, I'm not lying when I say that I'm gonna teach you how to do that in this video, but it is a little clickbaity, but I think a lot of guys missed that on in that build series. So check that out. That's how you do that gusset. And you know, yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you. God bless you. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye.